Hi friend, I am Nasir from Digital Code Network. In this tutorial, you will learn about how to save your data on Google Drive. For this, first of all, we go to Google Drive. For going to Google Drive, we click on top right corner dots and then select we can select Google Drive icon and open it. From this front we go to click on new icon left corner side. From this front you can upload your file, folder, Google Sheets, Google Documents. If you want, you can upload. After clicking on file upload, then you will see a dialog box. From this dialog box you can upload your file, picture, whatever you want. From here friend, you select your document, file, and after this click on open. Friend, you can see left down side my file is uploaded. Friends, another way we can upload file folder from my drive icon. Just click on this icon and you can upload your file, folder, documents, etc. from this way. And friend, another way we can upload our file and folder through desktop or desktop application. This application name is Google Drive for desktop. Then we first of all we download Google Drive for desktop, and then I will show you how to upload your file and folder. Friend, you can see my file is downloaded, and now we go to downloads and open it, install it. Friend, you can see my Google Drive desktop setup is downloaded. Now we double click it and start downloading installation. Friend, if you want to show your Google Drive icon on your desktop, then click add an application shortcut in your desktop, and then click on install. Our installation will start. Friend, this installation will take a few minutes, so keep patience. Now friend, our installation is complete. Then click close and go to desktop. Here you can see the Google Drive icon, Google Sheets, Google Documents, Google Slides, etc. From this Google Drive icon, you can upload your file and folder. Just double click on it and open it. After opening it, friend, you can see my drive folder. We open it and we can upload our files and folder. From this, friends, you can upload your file and folder through copy paste and also drag and drop from your mouse. Now friend, you can see our file is uploaded, and other way we can also upload your file through Google Drive, saved Google Drive extension. For this, first of all, we go to Google Drive, Google Chrome, and friend, I downloaded Google Chrome extension already. You can see here my extension is already downloaded and added on Google Chrome. Now friend, I will show how to upload your file through print preview. From this, as example, I select a picture, and after selecting, we press Ctrl plus P. After pressing Ctrl plus P, friend, you can see the print dialog box. From drop down menus, you can select Save to Google Drive, and after selecting Google Drive, then click on Print. Friends, our picture is uploaded. You can see picture which I uploaded here. And friend, if you want to access your Google Drive offline, then you should go to on setting, and in this setting you will see offline option. Just click on this checkbox and done. So friend, you can see your Google Drive is on offline accessing. You have learned about how to save your data on Google Drive. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get latest update about tips and tricks from Digital Code Network. Goodbye.